I'm going to shoot out with one of the local private guides, Eddy Currie. He's Eddy Currie. He's one of the first or founding guides on Christmas Island. He's got his own boat set up and he's keen to do a bit of fishing with us. So we're going to go and have a change of pace today. He's got his own sort of flat skiff, about a 16 footer, 17 footer. He's a big boy. Anyway, we'll go and see how we go. Morning, Eddy.
How are you?
I'm well. How you doing?
Good.
Excellent. Oh, we're out with Eddy Currie, and we're going to have a fish for some trevally. This is Y site number 3 inside the lagoon. We're on.
Okay.
We got about 40 pound trevally on, Eddy.
He's pumping this fish out.
Still losing line, Eddy.
Still going, huh?
Still going.
One of those bulldozers.
That's what he is. He's a nice sized one too, Eddy.
Yes. Beautiful fish. Yeah. Let's see how long it is. You know, usually like 2 minutes per pound. So.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Don't tell me that. How big you reckon he is? 50 pound, we could be here for a while.
So we're going to close down here for a minute. So.
I think so, yeah. I think we'll come back later.
Yeah, we'll come back later. Yeah, they're pretty tough fish, aren't they?
Pretty tough fish, huh? We got more time than him. This way, I'll just do this way.
Okay. Gotta hold it from this side. Yeah. It's sharp the tail so much. Turn around to the sunshine side. Gets a little bit yeah. This is a fish, though. Yeah.
That's a fish, Eddy. That's a trevally.
It is a trevally, giant.
That's a trevally. I'm pretty happy with that. First thing in the morning, first cast.
First cast.
First cast.
Yeah. Catch a fish.
Any secret spot. No wonder they call you the trevally specialist, Eddy. I'm pretty happy about that.
Good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
You want a still camera?
I think we want the still camera.
Okay,
now.
hold on just a second, I'm going to grab them.
Alright, thanks, Eddy.
Okay.
How big, Eddy?
About 55 pounds.
55,
Yeah.
60 pounds?
Yeah.
Feels like 60 pounds to me. Beautiful
Yeah,
fish.
it is.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
He's getting keen to go swimming now.
Yep. Is he ready? Oh yeah.
I think he's nearly ready.
Good dog. Yeah. Tough fish.
You see him alright?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Ooh.
Pretty happy, Eddie.
It is. There he goes with the blue. Right in the blue. All right.
Thank you very much, Eddie. That was good. We
Good.
got another one now, eh?
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mm.
Well, we've moved on from where we caught our other trevally, and we're trying one of my new teasers out with Eddie. Eddie thinks the trevally might like it. And we're going to...
Sure.
Yeah.
They all like it, you know.
And we're going to, try a different tactic, look for them as well, swimming along the flats. Should be good. Beautiful place, this Christmas Island. The flats are just magnificent. And there's just absolutely miles and miles and miles of them. Well, we've managed to sneak out the front of the lagoon, out in the ocean.
Yeah.
And we're going to have a bit of a trawl for some pelagics, hopefully a wahoo. We've set up a teaser and a popper at the back that's flopping along. We've just picked up a heap of birds around the front here.
Hang on.
Down on Paris Flat 1. Been fishing with Big Eddy today. And the big bones come in here in big schools and spawn about 3 days after the full moon. August particularly good.
Yes.
We've caught half a dozen we've had on in the last half hour or so. But we've been after the big one and they swim at the front of the school. And Eddie got us in the right spot. And this fella snatched the fly. And Eddie tells me he'd be about 11 pounds. I got one yesterday that was about 8. And this one would eat him. Ran me into the backing about 3 times and put up an amazing struggle. We had to beach him out in the middle of the flat here. Been a fantastic day. We got 60-pound trevally this morning, got 11-pound bone in the afternoon. Pretty amazing place, this Christmas Island, hey Eddie?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
All right, I think he's ready to swim, so you
Okay.
see how he goes, eh?
Okay. There you go.
There you go. Well, that was all right, Eddie. I think we have a couple of VPs now.
Yeah, pop time.
On Australia.
On Australia.
On Australia. Take me home. Thank you very much.
Look it up.
Today's our last day. We've had an early start. Boys are all pretty eager. There was some amazing sessions yesterday afternoon on Paris. There was just thousands of them in schools. So everyone's pretty keen. Today will be better apparently this afternoon. Peter. Morning, Tony. How you doing? It's good. Well, another day. Well, we're back out here on Paris 2 and we've got a few schools moving around us. Richard's managed to hook one up here with Tia. Nice fish too. They're coming? Are they coming, are they?
Nice fish, eh?
Nice fish?
Big spoon.
See him?
100 feet from
100 feet? I better put camera down and have a cast then.
okay.
Oh, Richard's just hooked up again. Another school of them working out around from him.
Tama rin ako may man ti. Big fish.
Good fish, Kenny? Good fish?
He's got over 100 yards backing off me.
That's the go. Richard just landed here. Is that school still there somewhere?
Probably bring the school back with him.
That's a good idea. You do that. I haven't caught one yet.
I think he wants to stay with the school. Ready down or not? What a whip.
Mate, that's a nice bone. He'd be 30 inch, eh, Ken?
Well, what we'll do.
Just tip him over so we can have a look at him. What is guide's name? Watch your feet and stuff.
We're in trouble. Broken
No,
rod.
he's got it.
Just done the rod.
Oh, you done the rod?
Yep.
Oh, good fish to do it on though. Hold fish up.
You up and up. He drops through the loop here.
Yeah, I know, so roll the fish over, give us a good look at him. That's what you come to Christmas Island for, Kenny.
Sure do, mate. Sure do.
What's the guide's name? Mob. Beautiful fish.
Me caught now.
This is a big one. I think I'm under you there, Rich. He's a hurler. I see him right at the front. 100 yards of backing out. 100 yards of backing out, second form.
Ah, big fish.
He's big fish. See if we can wash him onto beach.
Okay.
They're hooked up over there too.
Oh, the other side?
Yeah, these other guys are hooked up near the...
Oh, very big fish.
They're big bones.
Big bone.
Big bones. They're beautiful fish.
Yes.
Beautiful fish. That's what you come to Christmas Island for. Beautiful fish, Pedro. Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah, welcome, sir.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
He'd be 8 pound.
Yes.
About 8 pound. Not as big as last night, but nice one.
Oh, yeah, maybe last for another one.
Yeah. How much backing you got there, Richard? You got the lead, you got the front fish. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah, about the same size. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice catch. Beautiful fish, boy. Do well. Good fish, Taya. Beautiful fish. Nice bone. Congratulations, Richard. We better finish it off. We just let the thing go. Good on ya. Got ourselves another one, Pedro.
Okay, yeah. Hold on you. Yes. It's got fish too.
Not a bad sized one, Pedro.
Yeah, it's good.
He's alright. Not as big as the other ones, but a nice one.
That's good size.
Nice one.
Yeah.
What did you come to Christmas Island for, Pedro?
Oh, yeah, all right.
Beautiful bonefish.
Yeah.
Beautiful release. Well, unfortunately, we got a horrific rain squall about to come in on us, just as Paris was about to flood on our last evening or last afternoon. So we've decided that we're not going to sit it out because you just won't be able to see the schools as they come through. The other boys were about to do the same, but we're going to call it quits. Anyway, that's what's about to hit, so we're going to leave before it gets torrential. So ends our Christmas Island fishing adventure.
Yeah, attention please. Well, now we are coming to the end of your day on Christmas Island, and I hope that everybody has been enjoying their fishing with us, staying with us at the Captain Cook Hotel. So, as you've been enjoying your dinner, and it says we have Nikunau dancing group. So Nikunau is about 1,600 miles from here. And these people, they've been on the island about 30 years, 40 years plus. So tonight, they're going to entertain you with some of their home island dance. Thank you.
Thank you, Plow. Great Plow.